Hey everyone! Today is a different kind of videos that I would like to share to all of you. Other than painting, I also love to do cake decoration, especially fondant cake. All the tools that I use here are from Wilton. My cakes are made of 100% pure cocoa sugar-free powder, and I would like to share some of my fondant cakes to preserve my creations. Birthdays comes only once a year, right? So I made them special cake for their birthdays. So these beautiful flowers are made of gum paste and all from Wilton products. I will make another videos of all my tools on how to create these beautiful fondant cake decorations on my next videos. This is a 4 layers cake. It's a big cake and lots of decoration that I put here. There's so much fun and enjoyable in doing this, but I can say that this is not an easy job to do. So this flower is the hydrangea. A lot of things here. And the next one is the orchids. I love this one. The dogwood. I painted this design on the center and on the petals. And this is a rose, and also I put some glitters or powder in here to make it 3D looking. I do hope you enjoy watching it until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and comment down below, and I will see you again on your channel. Thanks everyone, and bye bye.